context on this. The market will end 300 points plus, actually almost 350 points higher. The Nifty Bank will end 2.5 higher. Mid-cap index about 0.9 and the small-cap index about 0.5%. 0.5 plus actually is what you will see in terms of gains. Steel did very well. Tata Steel, JSW Steel, JSPL, SAIL. I mean, these were some of the big movers which started. I mean, actually, it's not as if they all started higher. They started flat to even lower, and then through the course of the day picked up pace and continued to move up. The metal index almost 4% higher in trade. Surabhi.
Well, if I look beyond the Nifty 50, then the metals theme was very strong. Look at a SAIL. I mean, SAIL has clocked a gain of 10% today. It's been that kind of a session, this one. Move on and look at some other stocks as well. MPS was in focus because of some corporate developments there. 10% up on that small cap stock. To talk about the other movers and shakers, they would include an REC, a Bank of India, then there is a BHEL, Nalco. So the PSU flare was well and truly back. Not too much, but 3-4% up on these stocks. NMDC was also up and about. RBL Bank, GMR Airports, these are some of the private names on the mid-cap screen that looked pretty good. Mid-caps underperformed, no doubting that, 1% lower. And for the week, that is almost about to wrap up. We've got the mid-cap index still sitting with a cut of close to 1%. But of course, the highlights and the headlines belong to the Nifty, which made a fresh all-time high today.
Nifty gains for the third straight week. The mid-caps fall for the first time in 5 weeks. I think that's the big headline in there for the week itself. After a while, we have the large caps that outperform the mid-caps. We have run out of time on this edition of Closing Bell, but our Friday special, Smart Money, comes up next. You stay with us.